Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to be talking about how to cut down your Robostruts. So today what we're going to be working on is how to cut down your Robostrut. I'm going to use the 670 Robostrut here, and the tool you're going to need is a pipe cutter. So let's go ahead and crack this open and get working. So in a previous video, you saw how I took apart a Robostrut. So I'm going to grab a flathead screwdriver real quick. And I'm going to take apart the Robostrut by compressing this and then taking off the clevis pin. So E-clip off first. And that's why we call them Oh Jesus clips, because they'll go flying across the room. Compress the spring and then pull the clevis pin out. Take the retract apart. Okay. On your upper strut tube, when you get it from our factory, you're going to see that the top is welded. You will have measured out your length, and then in your axle bag, you're going to see two plugs. Go ahead and open this up. You have the nose bushing plug, and then you have your regular cut down plug. Today what we're going to be talking about is how to use the cut down plug. So once you have your mark on your Robostrut, let me get this stuff out of your way. What you're going to do is use your pipe cutter. And the reason that you want to use a pipe cutter is because what this is going to do is this is going to leave a flange on the inside of your Robostrut, and that's what's going to hold the cut down plug in. So if you've never used a pipe cutter before, there's probably a gajillion videos on YouTube and whatnot on how to use these, but you'll set your strut, the upper strut tube in between the two rollers, and then you have your cutting tool in there. So you tighten that down and you start to spin your upper strut tube. And I'm just going to continue to spin this until the tube is fully cut. And just continue to tighten your... Okay, so now I have that cut. This portion is, as you can see, the weld. So now what you'll do is you'll take your plug and then you insert this into the upper strut tube. And you can use something like a screwdriver. That one's a little too big. Let me get a smaller one. You can use something like a screwdriver to go ahead and press the plug up into the upper strut tube. And now you can see that the plug is at the top of the upper strut tube, and then the flange is holding that in. If you want a little extra support, you can clean out the grease. This is just a blue grease that you get from your local hardware store. If you wanted to clean that out, you can do so by using a little denatured alcohol or any grease cutter to clean that out. And then if you wanted to, you could throw a little 30-minute epoxy or something of that nature in there. When you cut down your spring, because right now your spring's going to be a little long, what we recommend is that you cut down one coil at a time until you get to the desired compression that you're looking for. So if you got any further questions on how to cut down your Robostruts using the standard plug-in, just give us a call at 630-584-7616, and we will be able to walk you through that. Otherwise, check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you got any other questions, like I said before, give us a call at 630-584-7616. Thank you so much. Have a great day.